Hi there! Welcome to another help video. In this video, we will be going over the blog section of the Tools tab. So let's begin. I first want to go over how to add a new blog. Enter the blog name and description here, and then click Add Blog. It will then be added to the current blogs that are listed below. I want to note that the blog description is only displayed here in the admin, not publicly. You can check the alerts box to turn alerts on for the blog. Alerts send emails to subscribers when a new blog has been published. Click the pencil icon to add or edit blog posts, and click the trash icon to delete the entire blog. This will delete all posts in the blog for good, so use this button with caution. To create or edit blog posts, click the pencil icon next to your existing blog. Add a new blog post, click the Add New Post button. Then, add a blog title and author. You have the option to adjust the post's published date and time. Change post status to draft to save content without publishing it. Set up a short summary for the post. Select a post image, which will be the main image for your post. This image will be displayed on the post page, on most feed templates for your website, and will be the image attached to your post if you choose to share it on Facebook or Twitter. Next, add the content of your post. We recommend using these tips above. And finally, you have the option to push your post to social media. These options will not show up unless you have a Facebook and/or Twitter account connected to the back end of your website. Once you've finished all those steps, click the green Save Post button. Your post will then be added to the current post list below. Click the pencil icon next to any existing posts to edit them. Click the blue up arrow to pin a post to the top of the list. This will also make the pinned post the top story anywhere it is displayed on the website. And finally, click the trash icon to delete the post entirely. Let's now go over how to add a blog to your homepage, because unless you add a blog somewhere, no one will be able to see it. So go to Menu and Pages, Menu Pages, and Home. Then go to the Add New Item and enter a new item name here. That is the name of my blog, and then select the item type. Here you want to select RSS blog feed. Then click Add Item. Scroll down and click the gear icon next to the item. Go to RSS feed settings, and here you want to select a feed, which is the blog. So I'm going to choose local news, which is the blog I want on my homepage. Then scroll down to the layout template. You want to select the template that how it will display on your website. As you can see, there's a lot of different options here. I'm going to choose the headline, medium image, full story, and then click Save Changes. I'm going to move my item down a little bit on my website, and now let's go to the website so I can show you what this looks like. So as you can see, my local news blog is posted right here. Say you don't really like the way this layout looks. We can go back, click that gear icon again, click feed settings, and then change the format. Click Save Changes. Now let's go and refresh that page. As you can see, there's a new layout here. Now, say you want to add the blog post to the News tab. We'll now go over how to do that. So go back to the sidebar under Menu and Pages and go to Menu Links. Now, you want to add a menu link to an internal page. So for the title, I'm going to add Local News. Now, link this page to an internal page, scroll down, go to your blogs, and then choose a blog. Then place this link under news. Click the add link button. Now it will be displayed below. Let's go to our website to see this new tab. So when you hover over news, the local news blog will appear. You click on it, all of our posts will appear as well. And that wraps up this video. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to visit our help center or contact customer support. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out our other help videos, and we'll see you next time.